Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the GoFundMeme token. Ticker symbol is GFM. This token has a huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume. Came out 2 days, 19 hours ago on RAYDIUM. And just today they got a very big central exchange listing as well. And we're going to go over the information on the GoFundMeme token, and we're going to talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here at GoFundMemes. Create the next viral meme coin on GoFundMeme.io. So they have a link to their webpage there. They also have a link to their Telegram at GoFundMeme on Telegram. They joined in March 2024, 5,783 followers, 998 posts. And in their pinned tweet here from January 23rd, it says, "All right, Trench Warriors, we are trying something fun. We are launching the GFM token, a fully community-owned meme coin experiment. No VCs, no team, just vibes. It's an open source launch pad where 100% of protocol fees go straight to the GFM token holders. So problem solved, right? Well, let's see." So this token just got a brand new, actually just got two brand new central exchange listings starting today. So one of them is on LBANK. They got listed on LBANK 5 a.m. UTC time this morning here, January 26th. So it is available now on LBANK. And they just got listed on MEXC Global. So it is also available right now on MEXC Global. So one way to get this token, first of all, if you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search GFM, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. Now, you could follow the same sort of steps on LBANK if you wanted to use LBANK instead. And then you could find this token listed on SolScan. If you want to see the charts, you can find it on DEX Tools, DEX Screener, Bird Eye. This token was created on pump.fun. You could tell because the contract address ends in pump. And right now there's 2,128 pooled SOL in RAYDIUM, which is equivalent to 12,260,000 pooled GFM tokens. There is a community takeover claim for this token as well. It says GoFundMeme community takeover, a community claimed ownership for this token January 25th. So it says, we just want to add a link to our Telegram and documents. Okay, so maybe it's still the same team. They just, I don't know why they do that sometimes when it's actually not a CTO, but anyways. It says, the fair launch model is designed to ensure a transparent and equitable distribution of tokens. Every participant has an equal opportunity to acquire tokens from the outset, fostering a sense of community and fairness. And this approach is ideal for projects that emphasize inclusivity and aim to build strong, trusted relationships with their supporters. Now, the fair launch model on the GoFundMeme protocol is crafted to ensure an equitable and transparent distribution of tokens. And this model Every SOL contributed holds the same value, meaning that each participant's investment is proportionately rewarded. And this approach fosters a community-driven and inclusive environment where everyone has an equal stake. So equal investment, equal rights. At the heart of the fair launch is the principle of equality. Proportional allocation, so the amount of SOL you invested directly determines the number of tokens that you will receive. There's no preferential treatment. Every contribution is valued equally. Also, transparency. So the process is fully transparent with clear rules that apply to all participants, ensuring trust and fairness throughout the launch. Customizable configurations. One of the strengths of the fair launch model is the flexibility, allowing you to tailor the launch of your projects specifically, like the tokenomics. It says you can design a tokenomics model that aligns with your project's goals, ensuring sustainability and growth. Pre-allocated tokens, reserve tokens for key stakeholders or future initiatives, giving you control over distribution. Supply management, define the total token supply, including detailed aspects like decimal precision to fit your project's requirements. Target raise, so set a fundraising goal that matches your financial objectives, allowing you to plan and execute effectively. And vesting programs, implement vesting schedules to incentivize long-term commitment, ensuring that tokens are held by those dedicated to the project's success. A platform for creativity. The fair launch model isn't just about equal distribution, it's also about providing a canvas for creativity. It's got innovative setup, so experiment with different configurations to craft a launch strategy that's both effective and unique. Playful exploration, so with GFM's robust tools, launching a token can be dynamic and engaging process, allowing you to explore various possibilities and find the perfect fit for your vision. Now, effective tokenomics is important for the success of any token, and our configuration page offers a comprehensive set of tools to fully customize the structure of your token. So they have the pre-salers allocation, they have the liquidity pool allocation. If you want to check out the full document guide, go to docs.gofundmeme.io. And also they have on the Sol Scan, it says they have 5,669 holders so far. There's 6 decimal places on this token. Started out with 1 billion supply. It's a little bit less now, 999,994,800 tokens. Market cap, $43.92 million. Token price today is 4.39 cents per token. And they have a 24-hour trading volume of $43.5 million right now. So it's up 666% in the past 24 hours. Huge project. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC global one where this token just got listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.